This Instagram page has literally just started and already gained nearly 4,000 followers by posting these talking brand cartoon videos. 2 of their videos have already reached 2.4 million and 2.1 million views. These videos are interesting, funny, and impossible to scroll past, and the niche is still wide open. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes.
I'm Claude. I used to feel unstoppable. Now I spend my days here, watching the world move on without me.
I'm Gemini. I turn ideas into intelligent action.
I am going to show you the totally free method to create these yourself right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open ChatGPT and find the GPTs section. You can find it inside apps or by clicking on more and then clicking on GPTs. Search for brand cartoon and click on the very first result. Open the GPT and it will give you 3 options: image maker, video maker, or script maker. We are clicking on image maker. Now it will ask you to provide some information: your brand logo or name, the age of the character, the emotion, the setting, and what the logo is doing in the scene. I have uploaded the Claude AI logo. You can use any brand logo of your choice. Fill in all the details and hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly provide a ready-to-use image prompt for your cartoon character. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow. First, click on the plus icon and upload the same brand logo here. Click on it, click the 3 dots, and choose Add to Prompt. This step makes Google Flow use your actual brand logo as a visual reference, so the character stays consistent and recognizable. Now select the image option and choose your desired settings. Paste the image prompt in and click Generate. Wait just a few seconds and your brand cartoon character image will be ready right here. When the image is generated, go back to ChatGPT and ask for the video prompt. You can also enter a specific dialogue line if you have something in mind. Otherwise, ChatGPT will generate one automatically. That fits the character perfectly. Copy the video prompt and go back to Google Flow. Click on the image you like, click the 3 dots, and choose Animate. Select Omni Flash as your video model and set the timing to around 8 to 10 seconds. Paste the video prompt in and hit Generate. Your first talking brand cartoon video will be ready in just a few seconds. And using the exact same method, you can create any other brand character. I selected Google Gemini as the second character to show you how easy it is to switch. When all your clips are done, download them and bring everything into your video editor. Place the clips on the timeline in the right order and remove any unwanted parts. Now add captions and choose the font, style, and template that best suits the energy of the video. Hit export and your talking brand cartoon video is completely ready to go viral on social media. And that's the full process. Make sure to subscribe and like if this tutorial helped you, and I will see you in the next one.